Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood of Deck Restoration Plus and DRP Enterprises. So I apologize for the generator and the saw running, but I want to do a little video here for our channel on a deck that didn't actually go the way we wanted it to. Had to make a few adjustments here. We didn't expect to get into the type of project we did, but we had to pull a permit and stop the job and do a change order, and we're rebuilding this deck. So plans have been submitted to the township. They've already approved the plans and the footings that we added, the 4x4s to the post, and now we have to get our framing inspection. So the guys are working on the stringers. They got a little aggressive with the steps. Guys are a little newer. Some guys here, it's his third job on his own, and you know, he started working on the steps or the floor, which he shouldn't have, which we've already addressed. But sometimes those things do happen. Most of our carpenters have been around for a while, and this is he's still new at doing things on his own and learning. And we like the growth in our company. We like having guys, you know, moving up from within, and you know, people learn. So he does a really good job. The two previous ones he did were composite. This one's pressure treated, and doing pretty well. So anyway, I just want to turn around and give you an idea of what we're doing. We always bend over backwards for our customer. We're not afraid to tell them that, hey, the deck has to be rebuilt. We got to pull permits, whatever we got to do. This isn't a job where you can just rebuild or just replace the floor, which is the case in this point. So we've had to put hurricane straps in, new posts, new joists. Gonna put some flashing in underneath the sliding glass door at the back. And I'll just give you a turn around here and we'll go take a look at it. And again, I'll talk a little bit while we're doing this, but you know, again, the equipment's running, so we're getting everything a little organized here with our wood, getting our work area a little bit neater. So the concrete's over here. The guys are cutting stringers. We have them for the top and the bottom. We'll get the stringers up. Still working on that over here. As you can see, we got a little crazy putting the floor up, but we got our concrete and our posts up. Put our hurricane straps up, some joists. So we've added to that, and we're shoring this thing up so these people are going to have a nice, safe deck moving forward. So I'm going to flip this back around, and that's really what we want when we talk about these decks. I'm trying to get out of the sun here. Is we're going to build you a nice solid deck. It doesn't matter whether it's composite, whether it's pressure treated, or what. We just want to make sure we build a nice, safe deck for you, using good quality wood. In this case, we're using pressure treated prime, kiln dried wood, and everything is going well for Deck Restoration Plus and DRP Enterprises. Again, we got some guys that have been with us for a year, and it's fun to see their growth and our growth and so forth. So hope you enjoyed this video, and quick little shot at what we're doing today. It's a January day. If you like some of the videos you've seen or some of the work we've done, please feel free to subscribe to the channel, and look forward to showing you this job when it's completely done and bragging what the newer guys have done. So they said third job on his own, and this should be fun. So a lot of learning going on. Thank you. Have a great day.